Hi students, I am Lingadas. Welcome to Sutra Online. Watch the video full and subscribe and share to your friends for more videos. Let's discuss about trigonometry. In this session, we will discuss about trigonometric ratios of sine values cos, tan of 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 and 90 degrees of values. How can we find that values? So let's see, for this we are going to take right angle triangle, one at 30 degrees and another angle is 60 degrees. Triangle ABC. So when we have a right angle triangle, if we know the ratios of sides, if know the values of sides, we can easily write the ratios of sine as a opposite by hypotenuse, of cos as adjacent by hypotenuse. So that's important thing is find the ratios of sides of a right angle triangle when the two angles are 30 degrees comma 60 degrees. Right, see, this is ABC equilateral triangle. I am going to take in each side is 2x. Why I am going to take 2x? Because when BC is the base, from the BC, if you draw a one perpendicular line to the opposite vertex of A, it can be bisect the opposite vertex angle and it can bisect the base also. So when it bisects, the angle will becomes as here 30, here 30, and after that the side will be bisecting. That means 2x will divide as x and x. For that case, I am going to take as a 2x for equal distribution of two parts. Right. I am going to take any one of the right angle triangle from this figure. So I am going to take this one, AC. So this is the point is D. Let's take a D. So simply I am going to draw the ADC triangle. The right angle located at D and angle at C is 60 degrees. Angle at A is bisect of 60 degrees, and that means it is a 30 degrees. How is the sides? This is the side CD is x. This is the 2x is the hypotenuse. According to Pythagoras theorem, opposite to the right angle triangle is called hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of remaining two sides. And that means 2x square is equals to DC x square plus AD square. Right. So if we know the AD, we can write the right angle triangle ratio of the sides at the 30 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees of a angles. So 2x whole square is equal to x square plus AD square. If you want, AD square is equals to 2x whole square is nothing but 4x square minus x square. Then AD square is equal to 3x square. Then AD square is equal to 3x square is nothing but AD is equal to under root of 3x square, then root 3x. So AD is equal to how much? Root 3x. So one of the side is root 3x is nothing but x root 3. So what we have a right angle triangle with angles of 30 degrees comma 60 degrees. Those sides are opposite to 30 degrees side is x, opposite to 60 degrees side is x root 3, opposite to 90 degrees hypotenuse is 2x. So from this right angle triangle sides of the values, we can write sine 30, sine 60, cos 30, cos 60, tan 30, tan 60 of reciprocals, as well as cosec 30, cosec 60, sec 30, sec 60 and cot 60, cot 30 also. So let's take this triangle to write the so let's take this triangle to write the sine 30, sine 60, as well as this is the ABC right angle triangle. So another triangle I am going to take (45 degrees and 45 degrees). So let's take PQR something. So when we have a equal angles, if we have a equal angles, the opposite sides of the equal angles also same. So equal angles of opposite sides also same. If 45 degrees is x, then 45 degrees also x. Then opposite to the q, then opposite to the right angle, it is under root of x square plus x square according to the Pythagoras theorem. So what is the hypotenuse? X root 2. Let's write the sin 30, sin 60, sin 45. Okay, first I am going to write sin 30, sin 60, sin 45. So how can you write the sin 30 value? For the sin 30, if you observe from the 30 degrees of angle of a vertex C, so from the C, the sin is nothing but which is the opposite side to the C vertex by the hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. It is a x by 2x. 1 by 2. Simple. Then sin 60. Sin 60 in that means your observation from the 60 degrees of triangle vertex from A, which is the opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is x root 3 by 2x. This is x root 3 by 2x. Root 3 by 2. After that, sin 45. Go for the 45 degrees of right angle triangle. 45, you observe from the R or you observe from the free P. There is no difference because both are same angles. So, I observe from the R vertex. From the R vertex, opposite side is x and the hypotenuse is x root 2. Sin is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. That is x by x root 2. This is 1 by root 2. Okay, right. Let's take cos values. Cos 30. 30 degrees of vertex. If you take adjacent side by opposite side. What is the adjacent side? Adjacent side is 30. 30 degrees of adjacent is x root 3. Hypotenuse is 2x. X is the cancel. Root 3 by 2. Right? After that, cos 45. From the 45 degrees of adjacent side by hypotenuse, adjacent is the x, hypotenuse is the x root 2. So, x by x root 2, that is equal to 1 by root 2. After that, cos 60. 60 is nothing but from 60 degrees of angle vertex, which is the adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent? X by 2x. That is equals to 1 by 2. Next, go for the tan values. So tan is nothing but ratio between opposite side by adjacent side. So tan 30. 30 degrees of opposite side is x and the adjacent side by x root 3. That is opposite is x by x root 3. X cancel. So that is the value 1 by root 3. Next, tan 45. What is the 45 degrees of value? For the tan, tan is nothing but ratio between opposite by adjacent side. Opposite is x, adjacent also x. That is x by x. Value is 1. Next, tan 60. 60 degrees is nothing but from the 60 degrees of vertex, which is the opposite side by adjacent side. So opposite side is x root 3 by x. Value root 3. Right? These are the 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 45 degrees values of different trigonometric ratios. Sin 30 degrees is 1 by 2. Sin 60 degrees is root 3 by 2. Sin 45 degrees is 1 by root 2. Cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Tan 45 is 1. Tan 60 is root 3. Right? These are the sin, cos, tan values of 30, 45, 60 degrees of angles. So, let's write the reciprocals of these sin, cos and the tan values. Reciprocal, we are going to write the reciprocal of sin. Sin reciprocal is cosec. So, cosec 30 is nothing but sin 30 of reciprocal value. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So cos 30 is 2 by 1. Simple. 2. So cosec 60 is the reciprocal of sin 60. Sin 60 value is root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 reciprocally is 2 by root 3. Then cosec 45. Sin 45 reciprocal is the cosec 45. This is 1 by root 2. So it is a root 2 by 1. Reciprocal is root 2 by 1 is nothing but root 2. So try to write the reciprocals of sin, cos and tan. So now cos 30. Cos 30 of reciprocal is sec 30. Now cos 30 is a reciprocal of sec 30, that is root 3 by 2 reciprocal is 2 by root 3. After that cos 45 reciprocal is sec 45, that is 1 by root 2, that is nothing but root 2 by 1. Root 2 by 1 is nothing but root 2. After that cos 60 of reciprocal is sec 60. Sec 60 is so 1 by 2 is reciprocal is 2 by 1, 2. After that cot 30. Tan 30 of reciprocal, so cot 30. So tan 30 value is 1 by root 3 and its reciprocal is root 3 by 1 is nothing but root 3. So tan 45, so reciprocal tan 45 is cot 45. So 1 is reciprocal is always 1. Then cot 60, tan 60. Cot 60 value reciprocal of tan 60, that is root 3 is nothing but 1 by root 3. Is it clear? So these are the values of different trigonometric ratios at 30 degrees, at 60 degrees, at 45 degrees. In the next session, we are going to find the 0 degrees of values of a sin 0, cos 0, tan 0. So different trigonometric ratios of 0 degrees value and 90 degrees value. Okay, keep watching Sutra Online and subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, stay learn.